These are some of the tools you'll need to actually start working with electricity. First thing you're going to need is a soldering iron, like this one, and a stand for your soldering iron. I like to have more than one in case I lose one, because they are pretty easy to lose. The next thing you're probably going to need is a small benchtop power supply with an on and off switch, a voltage dial for controlling the voltage, place to hook up your wires, an amp display to see how many amps you're using. You're going to need an solder sucker for sucking up your solder in case you make a mistake. You're going to need some screwdrivers, more than one at most, is what you're going to need. You're going to also need to get your hands on some flux, and you're also going to need to get your hands on some solder and some scissors. You're going to also need to get your hands on. You're also going to need a wire stripping set for stripping your wires. And that's all the starter things. And of course you're going to need somewhere to store all of your components like diodes, resistors, transistors, capacitors, motors, LED lights, and all that stuff.